let's talk about what's going on when it comes to the airport queue and some of the things that Uber is now
Yeah,
going to be introducing.
Lyft has this, Lyft. Actually, I like Lyft better than this. This showed up again. It is my app is just every day. There are little goodies that show up. And this is like literally like when you're sitting at the airport in queue and you're like 300th and you have another hour and a half or two to go. They'll put up a chip on Trip Radar, right? And if you like it, you want to get out of the hellhole that you're in, that's called LAX queue or LAX holding lot. You just X fast. It says X fast, FOMO, click, just get out of Dodge. But Lyft has a really good one that they put all these trips around you, right? You can click it, look at the details. If you like one, you can grab one and get out. They don't even have to be from the LAX lot. They could be other trips that are, in the vicinity. And Uber is copying Lyft on this one. I like it. I will never go to the lot when I drop off. If I get a rematch, good. If I'm not getting a rematch, I ain't going to that hellhole for 4 hours when 500 drivers are waiting. I'm like, no, I'm not doing that. I might as well just drive up Santa Monica and grab a trip there. But yeah, this is something new that showed up in my app. And I'm like, okay, not bad. You can. I like the part that it says act fast. Other drivers will be seeing the same request. So it's Trip Radar at the airport that you're seeing. Tap to select the chip and find out in seconds if you match. So it's like Trip Radar at the queue. I'm like, all right, no problem.
Yep. Yeah. Well, moral of the story is just don't go to the airport during those busy times.
Go to the airport, drop off, and get out.
Well, yeah, if you're dropping off, that's one thing. But I mean, I don't know why anybody would sit in the lot, especially when there's 500 cars in front of you, 300 cars in front of you. It's insane.
Between X and XL and Comfort, there are always 300 to 500 cars at LAX. And then Lyft now never used to have more than 100 cars. Now Lyft has 200 plus cars. So combined, Lyft and Uber have 700 cars waiting, bro. What's going on? I don't know what's going on.
Well, about 50% of those are on both apps, according to the polls.
Okay, fine, but still, I'm going like
a lot of cars. About 600 people.
I mean, LAX is a busy airport. Don't get me wrong. LAX is the second busiest airport.
Yeah, you got what? You got like 3 flights a minute?
Yeah, no, you're gonna wait. You're gonna wait 3 hours, and then they'll throw you some garbage 3 in a row, right? Remember we talked about that? They were logging people off at Thanksgiving. What they do at LAX, and I'm pretty sure it's the same at other queues around the country. You decline 3 in a row, bro. You're back at the queue.
Line.
Yep. I'll talk all back in the line. So all those hours you waited, and if you don't get something decent, oh my God, no, don't waste your time, man.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.